Warm-up is a preparation for physical exertion or a performance by exercising or practicing gently beforehand, usually undertaken before a performance or practice in athletes. Ready position with a somewhat wide stance, your feet a little more than shoulder width apart. You cannot simply stand your feet together as a tree waiting for a bus. Your weight should be lowered a little with your knees slightly bent. Long serve. Hold the racket using the handshake grip. Start facing side on with feet about shoulder width apart. Bring the racket down and forward to make contact with shuttle around the knee. High. Use the former and click the worst to generate more power. Short serve. Aim to hit the shuttle so its just clears the net and lands as close to the service line as is possible, but it must touch the line at least it drops short. It will not count. Keep the shuttle low and short will make it very difficult for an opponent to hit an attacking return. Forehand clear is employed as either an attacking shot or defensive shot with the aim of driving your opponent to your real court. With the attacking clear, the shuttle travels fast and flat, running almost parallel to the ground towards your opponent's rear court. Backhand clear is used to get a player out of trouble and player is not in the position to play forehand shot. However, the purpose is still the same, to force your opponent as far back as possible. Backhand smash required even more power. However, if executed perfectly, this shot will definitely surprise your opponent and make him return a weak shot. Drop shot enables players to move their opponent to the front court. This will entirely win a point or create space in the mid and back court to exploit. The forehand smash is hit with power and speed downward into the opponent's court. The angle and the steepness of the shuttlecock's trajectory make it hard for the opponent to retrieve and return. Backhand drop shot in badminton is a shot performed with your backhand and form the back part of the court. The forehand stroke is very common and is used most often in badminton. In badminton, this stroke generates the most power.